Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorials guys, we have completed math and trick DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will start new category of DAX function, which is other functions. And here are the topics guys, which we are going to cover in today's class. And we have just only these functions to cover in other category functions. And from next class guys, we will move towards the next category of DAX functions. So let's start with this blank DAX function. So firstly go to reference page to understand the definition. It returns a blank and here is no parameter guys. So let's go to Power BI desktop and understand this concept with practical. And now I will take new calculated column from here. And here we can see guys, we have some blank value under this number column. So we will apply a blank function on this number column with if condition. So let me rename this as blank. And now I will write my DAX function. If, look at the parameter guys. So the first parameter is logical test. So I will take this number column here in logical test, which is from new table. And now I will write my DAX function equal to blank. So I have given one condition here. If number column is blank, then it return true, else false, and hit enter. So here we can see guys, wherever the record is blank, it returning true, else false. So in this way guys, you can use this blank DAX function. And if you want to give any other condition guys, so you can also do that. Just go here in formula bar and edit this formula. Let's suppose if my number column is blank, it returns blanks, else non-blanks, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the result guys. I hope guys now you are clear with this blank DAX function. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is error. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. It raises an error with an error message. And here we have just only one parameter, which is text. And let me scroll it down. And here under this example guys, we can see they have used this error function with if condition and selected value. And now let's go to Power BI desktop and understand this concept with practical. So before go to practical guys, let me show you the data set first. So here under this column guys, we can see this fruit spelling is correct. And if you see this second record guys, this spelling is incorrect. And in a similar way guys, I have taken few correct records and few incorrect records. And now this time my requirement is, I want to see the count of correct products, which is fruit 1, bread 2 and milk 3. That means 3 records are correct and 3 records are incorrect. So let's go to the practical page. And now I will take one table visual from here. And let me simply drag and drop this product column. And now I will take one slicer from here. And under slicer guys, I will again take this product column. So firstly I will increase the size of the values. And now I will increase the header size. So I have increased size of both the visuals. And now I will go here in field section and click on new measure. So let me rename this measure name as error. And now I will write my DAX function with if condition. If selected value. So this function guys I have already covered in my previous tutorials. You guys can watch it from there. And under column parameter guys, I will select products, which is from new table, and close the bracket. And now I will put equal to sign. And here guys, I will enter incorrect record. Let's say bread, BRAED _ 2 and inverted comma close comma, and now I will enter my DAX function, which is error. And here we can see guys, we have just only one parameter, which is error text. That means if we have this incorrect record, so the error message should display this record does not exist and inverted comma close, and close this DAX function. And now I want to see the count of this product column. So I will simply enter count function, and under count function guys, I will take this product column and close the bracket and hit enter. So here you can see guys, the measure has added here. Now let me drag and drop it here. So here we can see guys, this visual is getting me an error. Now let me click on this error. So here we can see guys, the same error which we have given in our formula. This record does not exist. So let me close it down. And now guys, let me select all the records here in slicer. So here we can see guys, it is displaying the correct output. And once I click it, this error record. So here we can see guys, we are getting an same error. So let me uncheck this. So in this way guys, we can use this error DAX function. So here under this column guys, we can also see we have some other incorrect records like MLIK and FRIUT. And if you want to see the same error like on these records, so you have to add some more condition into here in measure. So simply go here in measure guys, simply copy this measure from if to error message. Copy this and paste it here after comma, and simply change the value fruit underscore 1 comma. Now I will again enter comma here and paste the same condition, and this time I will rename this as MLIK underscore 3, and now I will enter comma here, and let me add one more bracket. So these three records are guys my error here in this product column. You guys can see here spellings are incorrect. Now let me hit enter and go back to visual. So here we can see guys, it is getting me an error because we have selected incorrect products. And now let me select only correct products from here. So the correct product is bread 2. So here we can see guys, it is displaying correct result. Fruit 1, it is again displaying the correct result, and milk 3. And if I select any incorrect product from here, so it is getting me an same error because this product does not exist. So I hope guys how we can use this error DAX function in Power BI desktop. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is ToCSV. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. So guys, this is a new DAX function in Microsoft. It just only returns a table string in CSV format. That's it. So look at the parameters guys. We have 4 parameters: table, maximum row, delimiter, and including headers. And these 3 parameters are optional. It's just only returning the CSV format. So let's go to Power BI desktop and understand with this practical. So I will simply go here in new measure and let me rename this as ToCSV. And now I will write my DAX function, which is ToCSV. So the first parameter is table. So simply I will select sales table here, comma, and these 3 parameters are optional, but still we will fill. Let's say maximum records are 20, comma, delimiter is space, inverted comma close, and including headers. So I will put here 1 and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and now let's check with this visual. And now I will take one card visual from here and let me simply drag and drop this measure here. Let me remove this. So this is my table guys. You guys can see here in data view. Sales, customer ID, product, country, region, state. And here you can see the result. Here are the headers guys, and here are the details. So this formula is not much useful, but we should know about it. And now let's go to the last DAX function of our today's class, which is ToJson. So this DAX function guys converted into JSON format. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. It returns a table string using JSON format. And here we have just only two parameters, table and maximum row. And the second parameter is optional guys. So let's quickly go to Power BI desktop and apply this DAX function. New measure. Now let me rename this as ToJson. And now I will enter my DAX function, which is ToJson. So again I will take sales table here, comma, and the maximum rows are, let's say, 20, and close the bracket. So let me drag and drop it here and convert into card visual. So here we can see guys the JSON formatting. These are the headers guys, and these are the details. So these two formulas has not much use, but we should aware about it. So I hope guys now you are cleared with all the DAX functions of today's class. So do more practice and explore more yourself, and stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram channel where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview questions and answers. And you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so guys, I'm also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one guys, I prepare for you interviews round. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. And for the free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.